So the last viewpoint was from Jefferson Rock, looking over the Potomac. Now we're coming up on something else. Let me tell you, this AT hike is nothing but sightseeing.
Yeah.
This might be the old armory. Looks like it might be. Yeah, at the confluence of the two rivers. Yeah, so this is where they had the insurrection. John Brown, right?
It says this is the remains of a church.
Oh, it's a church?
Yeah.
Huh. Man, it took some manpower, huh?
Yeah. I would go to church services here if it were perched here.
Must be down there now.